I have been like eagerly waiting to get my hands on it, and it has finally arrived on time. See guys, I'm like super happy today, and I have like a couple of things to discuss with you people in this video. First thing is Intel is launching their brand new 11th gen Rocket Lake as CPUs today guys. So the next week, the coming week is going to be absolutely lit with a lot of exciting PC build videos, reviews and comparisons as well. So stay tuned for that. I have planned some amazing videos for you people. Keeping that aside guys, I'm actually working on a special project by the name Project Double A, and for that now I'm actually scavenging some parts for that. It's going to be a special project guys, so stay tuned for that also. And the first part for that project has already arrived guys. This is Gigabyte's brand new Z590 Vision G motherboard, and let me tell you, this is one heck of a beautiful looking motherboard. It's a white themed motherboard, and also one of the very first Intel 11th gen motherboard samples from Gigabyte guys. And today in this video we're gonna unbox it and check out this thing. So let's get started. Alright guys, here's our brand new Z590 series motherboard from Gigabyte, the Vision G Creators Edition Mobo. It comes in this sort of white packaging. It's got the new Z590 chipset and supports the all new Intel 11th gen CPUs. Good thing is we still have the same LGA 1200 socket only, so it's also compatible with your previous 10th gen CPUs also. Going to the backside, we've got some of its highlights mentioned. See, I've told you right, it's made for creators, so it comes with some features specially targeted for the creators. Like you've got Gigabyte's Vision Link support, next gen connectivity features and more, which I'll be telling you at a later part. First, let's get started with the unboxing. I can't wait to get my hands on it. And here it is guys, our brand new Z590 Vision G Mobo. Comes nicely packed like this. We'll just come back to this in a moment. First, let's also check out the accessories. You get a user manual, a driver's CD, few SATA cables and some connectors and installation screws. That's it, these were all the stuff we got in the package. And here you go, the all new Z590 Vision G in the hands. Holy moly, what a beautiful looking board. I love this black and white color combination. Let me just peel off these stickers. Oh boy, look at that rainbow finish on the visor. Very beautiful looking motherboard. So what I'll do is I'll just give you all a closer look at the Mobo, and then we'll talk about the design, the features and all of its highlights. Gigabyte's new Z590 Vision G is an ATX motherboard made specially for the creators. As mentioned just now, it's got the same LGA 1200 socket. That means it supports both the 10th gen and the new 11th gen Rocket Lake CPUs. Now Gigabyte has not shared much info on this Mobo yet, as it's a brand new model that just came out today. But by looking at the VRM design, I am assuming they're using their 16 plus 1 phase power design with a 90 amp power stage to efficiently deliver the power demanded by the CPU. The board features 4 DIMM slots as you can see and supports a maximum of up to 128 gigs of memory. If you ask about the storage, well, Gigabyte is going a notch above and is offering 4 PCI M.2 slots with Gigabyte thermal guard heatsinks and has around like 6 SATA ports on it. Talking about the connectivity, I've told you right, this Creator Series board features a USB Type-C port with Vision Link support, has next gen USB 3.2 Gen 2x2 port with 20 Gbps ultra fast transfer speeds, and features Intel's 2.5G LAN support as well on board. Creators can greatly benefit from all of these features. See, the overall build quality of the motherboard is very good. They've used a high quality PCB, chunky blocks of heatsinks used everywhere to keep the temperatures in check, and love the black and white look with a touch of rainbow accents on the heatsinks. So that's it guys, that was our unboxing and first look at this brand new 11th gen motherboard from Gigabyte, the Vision G series specially made for creators. There's actually a reason why I actually bought this creator series motherboard only. Thing is, see, in the past few days or past few weeks, we've been doing a lot of gaming series PC builds, right? So I thought, chalo, why not give a bit of focus to creator side also and make some sort of productivity PC builds as well. And that is the main reason that I actually bought the Vision G series motherboard. And on top of that, this is definitely going to be a beautiful white themed PC build only guys, and I'm actually planning a name for that also. How about Snow Frost or maybe White Frost? If you have any other name suggestions now, let me know in the comment section, and the comment that will receive like the most number of likes now, I'll go with that name only. Okay, keeping that aside, if you're thinking or if you want to know like what's new in these Intel 11th gen CPUs, what you can expect from them, about the performance, where they're going to stand in today's competition, and also like what's new in the Z590 chipset, you'll actually have to check out my detailed video on Intel 11th Gen and Z590 that I made like a couple of weeks ago, guys. There you will find like complete information. I would highly recommend you guys to go there and watch that video. I'll leave a link to that in the card above. So that is pretty much it, guys. This is what I wanted to share with you all in this video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.